The JCPS board is expected to vote on a plan tomorrow to build several brand new schools and renovate dozens more.
Between now and 2028, JCPS plans to build brand new school buildings for Carithers and Westport Middle Schools, Cochran, Goldsmith, and Wilt Elementary Schools, and Olmsted Academy South. The district also plans to build a new elementary school in South Louisville. However, the exact location has not yet been chosen. Altogether, those new school projects add up to more than $260 million. So how can JCPS afford this while facing a $188 million deficit? District leaders say the answer comes down to where the money is legally allowed to go. The deficit is in the district's general fund. That's the money used for day-to-day costs like salaries, programs, and operations. Construction money comes from the capital fund. That's money legally set aside for building and renovation projects.
But capital funds cannot go to the general fund.
For a full list of school projects scheduled, head to our website, WDRB.com.